Greetings, friends and fellow cigar boss, guitar enthusiasts. Dale Puckett here, and if you clicked on this video, it's because of the title said connecting the dots. Okay, yeah, so this video is all about connecting the dots on multiple levels. I know you're probably wondering, what is this guy talking about dots? Well, if you're a guitar player or bass player or musician, you know that these positions here, up here, are the dots, right? And they're just for position while you're playing. Now, on those real fine, expensive instruments, you get this abalone a lot of times, or ivory pieces, or different bone things here. I mean, these are like, I won't say they're expensive or not. They're kind of hard to come by, the exact right size and then the right colors and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you in this video how to make these counterfeit abalone inlays. In fact, we'll call them, instead of calling them abalone, we'll call them baloney. So I'll build two side by side, one with the real abalone and one with the fake abalone. But first, I need to fix my hammer. Pulling out a nail and went wham. So I was digging through my pick collection, and I pulled out all these tortoiseshell style. Those ones right here, you could say they rival the abalone. So as I was digging through my extensive collection, I ran across this one here. I got this at a Stevie Ray Vaughan concert when I was probably about 18 or 19 years old, back in 1984. I would have been 20 years old. Anyhow, yeah, so I did my research. This thing's worth thousands of dollars. Of course, I wouldn't use that, even though it does have some nice swirl to it, but gotta keep that one nice and safe. I went into this thrift shop today with my wife, and I found two of these bad boys. So these are just your regular office. Obviously, they can't be adjusted, but the holes are 1/4 inch perfectly round holes, right? So just lube those bad boys up, and using one of these, just like everything else, takes practice. At first, you're going to be swinging a miss. You're like, dope. Find out where the center is, right? You can make that on a little keychain, right? Right. Then all of a sudden it dawned on me, duh, make a template. So, got a sheet of paper, line it up in the hole, because this is made for paper, right? So square it up to the little marks on here, right? So now it's repeatable. Every time it closes, it's going to be the same time in that hole. So now, just get a pick, cover the hole. Just cover the hole. That's all you got to do. Put it underneath there, line it all up again, and then, yeah. Then at first, you just experiment with it, but you're hedging your bets, right? You're getting. It's like hitting a target, right? You're getting better and better and better and better. The last one here was almost perfect. I can still go back and get the center here, but again, we're just maximizing the pick there, because this is baloney. So here's the real abalone. Here's the make-believe phony baloney abalone. Looks pretty similar, right? Well, as fate would have it, I don't have just one cigar box guitar neck. I have two cigar box guitar necks. One will be the abalone, the other one will be the baloney. Not going to tell you which one it is. I'm going to mix it all up, and then I'm going to show them to you, and then you have to say in the comment section which one is which. And one of the tricks that these guys use is the corner to corner. Draw a little line, draw a little line, and that little X is the center of your fretboard. So we did the dirty deed and got these here inserted. So now it's up to you to decide which one of these is the baloney and which one of these is the abalone. Well, 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 looks like you made it to the end of the video. All right, give us your best guess as to which one is which in the comment section below. I did want to leave you with a little little tip right here. So whenever we do connect the dots, right, that's what we're doing, is we're connecting the dots. I just get yourself some scrap. And because every one of these is a different thickness. Like these guys here are a different thickness, and these guys are a lot thicker. And of course, the ones that the picks that we're doing they're thin. So whatever thickness you're having to deal with, kind of play around with it and kind of get a feel for how deep your hole needs to go. Remember, slow and low, slow and low, then a little, and then this is what you're going to do. Once you get, you don't want to put it in there prior to gluing it, because a lot of times you're not going to be able to get it back out once it's in, which is not a bad thing. You can actually get away with, if your hole is nice and tight, you can probably get away with not gluing it. I do like to have just an insurance policy, just a tiny bit. I'll get the glue out, and I'll get a little toothpick and just put a little tiny little dab of glue in there, right? And then, oh yeah, just like that. Now it's a little deeper than what I want, right? So I went just a little too deep again. So I'm just getting a feel for it now. Just getting a feel for it. Okay, so now this is not quite so deep. And, oh yeah, that's perfect, dude. That's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys. Go and connect the dots. And don't forget to get your parts at cbgitty.com. There is an affiliate link and a promo code for discounts in the video description below. And don't forget to tune into the next video so you can find out which one of these has the abalone and which one has the abalone.